Everyone wants to find the next 1000x meme coin before it explodes. But here's the big question. Which one actually has the best chance? What's up everyone? Welcome back to Crypto Orbitz. Today we're comparing the 3 biggest meme coins in crypto. Let's see which project stands out the most. Let's kick things off with Dogecoin. If we head over to the official website, we can see that Dogecoin is the original meme cryptocurrency. What started as a joke back in 2013 has grown into one of the biggest crypto assets, backed by one of the strongest communities in the industry. At the time of recording, Dogecoin is trading around $0.072. Looking at the daily chart, DOGE is holding above a key support zone, showing that buyers are still defending the price. If Bitcoin continues its bullish momentum, Dogecoin could retest the next resistance level. However, due to its $12 billion market cap, a 1000x move from here is extremely unlikely, making it more of a stable meme coin than a moonshot. Next up is Shiba Inu. If we visit the official website, we can see that SHIB has evolved into much more than just a meme coin. Its ecosystem now includes Shibarium Layer 2, Shiba Swap, NFTs, and DeFi, giving it far more utility than most meme projects. Currently, SHIB is trading around $0.0000414. On the daily chart, SHIB is consolidating near a strong support area after a recent recovery. If buying volume continues to increase, the price could challenge higher resistance levels. Compared to Dogecoin, SHIB offers stronger fundamentals, but its massive token supply still limits its upside potential. Finally, let's talk about Pepe. If we head over to the official website, pepe.vip, we can see that Pepe is a community-driven meme coin built around one of the internet's most iconic memes. Unlike Dogecoin and SHIB, Pepe focuses on viral growth and community momentum rather than building a large ecosystem. At the time of recording, Pepe is trading near the $0.000029 range. The daily chart continues to show bullish momentum whenever meme coins gain market attention. Since Pepe has a much smaller market cap than Dogecoin, it still offers more room for higher percentage gains. But keep in mind, higher reward also comes with significantly higher risk and volatility. If you're looking for the safest and most established meme coin, Dogecoin takes the win. If you want the strongest ecosystem and long-term utility, Shiba Inu is the better choice. But if you're aiming for the highest upside in the next bull run, Pepe stands out as the most exciting option. Just remember, none of these coins is realistically expected to deliver a guaranteed 1000x return from their current size. Always do your own research before investing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to Crypto Orbit, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next crypto opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.